Welcome, dear viewers. Today we have an amazing and exciting topic. China's shocking discovery on the moon leaves scientists astonished. I am happy to welcome you to our channel and invite you to dive into the world of amazing discoveries and scientific discoveries. The moon is one of the most mysterious celestial bodies, around which has always reigned an atmosphere of mystery and mystery. Since ancient times, it has attracted the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts. But only with the development of space technology has it become possible to go to the moon and uncover its secrets. Exploring the moon has always been one of the main goals for the world's space agencies. Since the first space missions, the moon has attracted the attention of scientists and astronauts. The enigmatic surface features and mysteries lurking on its dark side have aroused interest and desire to uncover its secrets. China has played a significant role in lunar exploration. Its space program, introduced since the early 2000s, has allowed the country to become an important player in space exploration. China has conducted several successful missions to the moon, including the soft landing of a rover on its surface and the collection of samples from lunar soil. One impressive mission was Chang'e 3, launched in December 2013. The U2 rover, which was part of that mission, became the first Chinese vehicle to make a soft landing on the lunar surface. It was a historic moment for the country and another step towards space exploration. China also conducted the successful Chang'e 4 mission, which was launched in December 2018. It was the first mission in history in which a spacecraft landed on the far dark side of the moon. This feat shocked the scientific community and opened up new opportunities to explore the part of the satellite invisible from the face of the Earth. In addition, in 2020, China successfully completed the Chang'e 5 mission, which collected samples from the lunar surface and brought them back to Earth. This was the first successful collection of samples from the moon since the Soviet Luna 24 mission in 1976. The samples obtained will help scientists decipher the moon's history and understand its origins. China continues to actively develop its space program and has already announced new ambitious missions to the moon in the near future. It plans to send the Chang'e 6 spacecraft to collect samples from the moon's south pole and even launch a Chinese lunar base by the mid-2030s. Over the years of lunar exploration, scientists have made many interesting discoveries and encountered many mysteries. Some of them have to do with the origin of the moon and its formation, while others have to do with the bizarre geologic structures found on its surface. The Chinese space program has been no exception and has been able to contribute to solving some of these mysteries. China's space program continues to show impressive achievements, and the recent mission to the moon was further evidence of the country's leading role in space exploration. Named Chang'e, the mission was an ambitious step in China's plans and included a soft landing on the moon and additional exploration of its surface. What made this mission so sensational and made scientists excited? The Chang'e spacecraft discovered something amazing on the moon. There was a huge amount of ice hidden beneath the surface. This discovery was a real breakthrough for scientists as it indicates the possible presence of water resources on the moon. Water is a critical resource for future space missions, and the possibility of establishing bases on the moon and our ability to detect it on our celestial neighbor opens up new vistas for space exploration. The discovery of ice on the moon has generated tremendous interest among the world's scientists and space explorers. This discovery has not only confirmed the presence of water on the moon, but has also opened the door for further research on the origin of this water and its use for future space missions. Various scientific communities are already actively discussing new approaches to explore the moon and utilize its resources. The discovery could also lead to cooperation between different countries and space agencies to better understand the moon and its potential. Scientists examined samples of material found on the moon and found that it is not just ordinary earth or rocks. This material contains large amounts of ice, which is a surprising discovery. The research showed that ice was found beneath the surface of the moon at a considerable depth. This is of great scientific value as the moon was previously thought to be a dry and waterless place. The discovery of ice on the moon has been the subject of intense debate and research among scientists. Several hypotheses have emerged as to how this ice could have appeared on the moon. One possible theory is that the ice was formed due to cometary collisions when icy comets fell on the surface of the moon. Other scientists suggest that the ice was formed by the reaction of gases in the moon's atmosphere with the water that was present there. The exact origin of this ice is still a mystery, and researchers continue to study this unique material to solve the mystery. This opens up new avenues for scientific research and exploration of the moon. Water is a vital resource for future space missions, and the presence of ice on the moon could greatly simplify and reduce the cost of future space missions. The discovery of water on the surface of the moon makes it a much more attractive place for future exploration and even potential colonization by humanity. Water is a valuable resource for future space missions, such as establishing a base on the moon or maintaining a long-term stay of astronauts on its surface. The discovery of ice on the moon has led to new research challenges and questions that scientists are trying to unravel. One of the main challenges is to determine exactly how the ice formed on the moon and how much of it is present on its surface. It is also important to study how this ice can be utilized in future space missions and how it can serve as a source of water and fuel for astronauts and equipment. This could be the impetus for new missions, equipment, and vehicles to help explore the moon and its resources in greater depth. It also opens up new opportunities for international cooperation in space exploration and could lead to the creation of new programs and projects to explore the moon and further travel into the depths of space. The discovery of ice on the moon has potentially significant applications on Earth. Water on the moon could serve as a key resource for future space missions and deep space travel. It can be used as drinking water for astronauts and equipment, and as a source of oxygen and hydrogen for fuel production. This eliminates the need for large amounts of water transportation from Earth, significantly reducing costs and making space missions more efficient and longer lasting. In the space industry, this opens up new opportunities for bases and stations on the moon, which would be an important step towards colonizing the moon and furthering space exploration. In astronomy, ice on the moon can serve as a kind of archive of solar system history, where scientists can study past climate changes and planetary evolution. In materials science, ice on the moon can be used as a valuable resource for developing new materials and technologies. Scientists and engineers will explore ways to extract and utilize ice on the moon using automated systems and robots. This could lead to new technologies for mining resources on other space objects, such as asteroids or other planets. It is also possible to develop new ice-based materials and technologies that can be applied to various fields on Earth, such as construction, energy, and medicine. And so we come to the end of our fascinating journey across the vast expanse of the moon. The discoveries that have been made during this amazing mission have truly shaken us to the core. The scientific community remains in awe of what new horizons have opened up for us and how this could impact future space exploration. If you are fascinated by this topic and want to learn even more interesting facts about space, scientific discoveries, and missions to the far corners of the universe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put a like under this video. We try to share with you the most up-to-date information and amazing stories about space, so that you will always be aware of the latest scientific achievements. At the end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to you, dear viewers, for your time and attention. Your support and interest in our content is what inspires us to make new discoveries and daring explorations. We appreciate each and every one of you and are always happy to see your comments and feedback. Thank you for being with us, and see you again on our channel.